Okay, so this is basically what we left off in the last video. Um, it's just simple HTML, and this is what it looks like in context. You might remember I had a style program, or no, not a program, but I had a file called style.css right here. I took that away because I feel like it's easier to make it in the way that I'm gonna show in a minute. So yeah, we're gonna continue making some more design features right now, and yeah, we're gonna start with doing a table. Table is really, yeah, it's a good way to like start. A lot of people use divs instead of tables later, but I feel tables are really good. So this is a basic sort of setup of a table. So these TRs are these are rows. So in a table you get yeah, sure, I can show you. If we give a border, can have a spell there, right? So should save. See, we get this little border around. We should write something down like hello, and then we make another row, writing this is HTML, I guess, and we're gonna make another row, so we write so look, so yeah, you see it divides it up nicely. This is very useful progressing later, so this is why we should use tables. But when I take away this border thing, it's just takes the border away, but it's still located the same, so it's kind of nice. So let's restart, and yeah, I guess we can just take away that. So most websites have a logo, so we can write your logo here or whatever, and then most people have like a link system, so home and I guess images and like products. You can put whatever in here, but yeah, this is just for the tutorial. I might not do all of these pages, so when we look at this, we should yeah. So we'll see this basic setup. This is not so nice. We're gonna style this all up a little bit. So yeah. At first, we want to get the closing tag of the table back, so we actually have use for the table that somehow got deleted. So let's see. I want to have a width on the table, and I want it to be 100%, and I want the height to be 100%. So and I want to have, now I'm gonna put in some a little style, This is a HTML feature that lets you use sort of CSS functions. CSS functions is basically style features. So yeah, so then you can write border, and you have to use a colon and end it with a semicolon, and I usually start writing the pixels, and then you need to write solid, and then you write the color. The color is always represented by a pound sign, I guess, and then you write like what color you want. So if you don't know what color you want, so the color code is kind of this is black, for example. This is white, actually with 6 Fs. You don't need all of these, but you can put like 3 when it's all repeating. So so if we try O, save it, you see we get a border right now. So since we put the size at 100%, this will resize as we resize the browser a bit. So this is automatic. This doesn't look very nice. It's not aligned to the top, so we're gonna use the vertical align function. So it's just v align, and then equal to, and you say just top, and this should. No, what did I do wrong? Oh, sorry, I placed the V line on the wrong spot. It should be right here. So yeah. Oh well. Yeah. So, and most browsers have most websites have like their logo at the left and the navigation at the right. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So yeah, go into this one and you can say just align, and then place it to the right. This will push all of the text over, yeah, I'm gonna add some more. I mean, this is very stuck to the like border, so we should maybe try to fix that, so we can actually put on a little more stylish thingy. So let's see, we should place padding right here. Padding. This is also a HTML function, but I feel like the style sheet function works a lot better, so that's what I'm gonna use. So about 15 pixels. You will learn the sizes of them if you don't really know. But yeah, so this looks kind of nice. If we want the logo to be more like standing out, we can just write H1 and close the H1. This is what I mean by it's quite similar all the time. It doesn't matter what kind of blocks you're using, if it's bold blocks, if it's H1 blocks, or this is basically a rubric. So when you close them, you always do the same thing. You put a / before the little text or whatever, and you close the blocks. So yeah, now this stands out more, but this feels kind of wrong, out of position. It's too high up, so maybe we should style that more. So we're gonna add a style. No, let's do that in the other video. I'm gonna try not to make these videos too long, so I'm gonna end it there at about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go back to this in the next video. Bye.